Hello. Welcome to Introduction to Deep Learning and Neural Networks. Let's get started. We see Virat Kohli, one of India's most successful cricketers, walking towards a group of young tech enthusiasts. "Hey guys, how's it going?" Virat says. "We're doing great, Virat. We were just discussing deep learning and neural networks." Ah, two very important concepts in the world of technology. "I'd love to learn more," Virat says. "Sure, let us explain. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks to simulate human decision-making. Neural networks are composed of layers of artificial neurons that can process and learn from large amounts of data." Interesting. Can you give me an example of how this works in real life? Young tech enthusiast. Sure, let's take the example of image recognition. Deep learning can be used to teach a computer to recognize different objects in an image. For instance, if we show it a picture of a cricket ball, it can identify it as such. Virat Kohli. That's amazing. How do you implement this in code? Young tech enthusiast. There are various programming languages and tools that can be used for deep learning, but Python is the most popular choice. For instance, we can use the TensorFlow library in Python to build a neural network for image recognition. Virat Kohli. Can you show me some code samples? Young tech enthusiast. Sure, here's an example of how to build a neural network in TensorFlow. In this example, we define a neural network with two hidden layers and an output layer, using the dense class. We then compile the model with the atom optimizer and categorical cross-entropy loss function. We load the NIST dataset and pre-process the data, and finally train the model on the training data and evaluate its performance on the test data. Virat Kohli. Wow, that seems complex. Are there any other applications of deep learning and neural networks? Young tech enthusiast. Yes, there are many. Another example is natural language processing, where computers can be trained to understand and generate human language. This is used in applications like chatbots and voice assistants. Virat Kohli. Fascinating. It's amazing to see how technology is evolving and changing the world around us. Young tech enthusiast. Definitely, and with the right skills and knowledge, anyone can be a part of this revolution. The end. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Data to Info channel. And always remember, data makes you rich.